Don't want strangers seeing your profile or bots. Let's make your Pinterest account private with one single setting. Just open your Pinterest account, then go to right bottom corner, saved icon. Then again, you need to click on the left top corner, your profile. Okay, then here you need to choose your account management. Sorry, you need to click on profile visibility, and here you can easily private profile. Just clicking on the enabling the first option. When your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profiles, pins, bots, followers, and following list. So it's very simple and quite easy. Privacy secured. Now subscribe, like, and share this tutorial for others to stay safe online. I hope the short video is helpful. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.